The MTS Internet Baby Web Campaign, the baby who was born for the internet. MTS, one of the largest telecom players in India, wanted to launch their new 3G Plus network. Our task was to create a compelling web campaign that would engage with the digital natives and get them to not only consume our brand message, but also share it with their peers. We created a rather unusual 70-second spot called MTS Internet Baby. Set in a labour room, our spot showed a newborn baby taking charge of his own birth and putting the word out using social media profiles. The spot ended with the payoff line, "Born for the internet." While the spot was highly engaging and entertaining, our task was to maximise its impact. But we weren't going to simply lead with traditional banners, promoted posts and pre-rolls. Instead, we launched the spot on BitTorrent, a platform where no advertiser had ventured before, but a space frequented by digital natives. At midnight, when downloaders are most active, we uploaded our spot as a torrent file on seedpeer.me. We named it "Internet Baby Cuts His Own Umbilical Cord," and then we waited. As our torrent gained traction, we got thousands of downloads and shares. We pushed it even further by seeding it on online media, social media and video channels. As expected, some of these torrent downloaders hosted the film on their blogs and video channels. As the spot left the confines of the deep web and entered mainstream internet, we ran an extensive #MTS Internet Baby banners campaign, written in a unique MTS baby first-person tone. Engaging and original MTS baby spoof topical posts, pictures, shares and memes on Facebook and Twitter further amplified the engagement. All these social media activities, along with the BitTorrent launch, snowballed into millions of views and shares of our commercial. Finally, to celebrate the massive success of the campaign, MTS announced a promotion offering a lifetime of 3G Plus internet connection to babies born on the 26th of March, the day MTS was born in India. The results. Our film was seen in 206 countries, hosted on over 2,400 websites, shared over 100,000 times, blogged about in 11 languages, written about in 35 news portals across the world, and was viewed over 10 million times in less than a month, with 73.3% having watched the whole video. The campaign delivered 150,000 social shares, a very high CTR of 7.6%. Awareness to consideration shot up by 8.5% on a high base value of 71. Brand recommendation in the category jumped from 4th to 2nd. And we recorded a 10% rise in the MTS 3G Plus connection sales from the very first month. All this started with a single torrent file in a never-before-used medium to launch a spot.